Taking it for a spin, unraveling idiomatic expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in English. Our focus will be on the phrase, take it for a spin. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, take it for a spin, is an idiomatic expression used informally to describe the action of trying something out for the first time, especially to see how it works or performs. Originally, it referred to driving a car to test its capabilities, but now it can apply to a wide range of situations. When you take something for a spin, you're essentially testing it, whether that's new software, a kitchen appliance, or even a new concept or idea. The key here is the element of experimentation and experience before making a final judgment or decision. To help you grasp how to use take it for a spin, let's look at some examples. 1. In technology, I just downloaded this new photo editing software. I can't wait to take it for a spin and see what cool effects I can create. 2. In automobiles, would you like to take the new electric car for a spin? It's supposed to have amazing acceleration. 3. In business or work, we've just implemented a new project management tool. Let's take it for a spin in our next project to see if it improves our efficiency. These examples show the versatility of the phrase across different contexts, emphasizing the action of trying something out in a practical scenario. Understanding the context is key to using take it for a spin appropriately. Here are some tips. In formal settings, this phrase is best suited for casual or informal conversations. It's not typically used in formal contexts. First-time use. Use it when referring to the first time trying or experiencing something new. Encourage experimentation. It can be a great way to encourage someone to try something without making a long-term commitment. Remember, the essence of taking it for a spin is about exploration and new experiences, so it's perfect for situations where you're introducing something new and exciting. And that's a wrap on Take It for a Spin. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this idiomatic expression and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Whether you're talking about technology, cars, or new ideas, taking it for a spin adds a fun and dynamic element to your language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try out new phrases in your English journey. Happy learning!